Pets are family. They are not just animals living in our homes, they are cherished members of our households. They share our lives, our joys and our sorrows. They bring joy every day. Their playful antics and unconditional love brighten even the darkest of days, filling our lives with laughter and happiness. And just like our homes, their beds should be special. A pet's bed is their sanctuary, a place where they can retreat and feel completely at ease. Imagine a cozy nook made with your loving hands. Every stitch and seam is a testament to the care and affection you have for your furry friend, a place where your furry friend feels safe and loved. It's more than just a bed, it's a symbol of the bond you share. This isn't just any pet bed, it's a haven filled with memories. Each detail, from the fabric to the design, reflects the unique relationship you have with your pet. This project is more than just sewing, it's a labor of love, a way to show your pet how much they mean to you. It's about weaving love and memories into every stitch. Each thread carries a piece of your heart, creating a bed that is as unique as your pet. It's about giving your pet a piece of your heart, wrapped in comfort and warmth. A handmade bed is more than just a place to sleep, it's a gift of love, ensuring your pet feels cherished every single day. We all have those favorite shirts, the ones that have been with us through thick and thin, through countless memories and moments. The ones that hold special memories. Each stain, each tear tells a story of its own. Maybe it's a concert tee from that unforgettable night or a soft flannel that kept you warm on chilly evenings. Instead of giving them away, let's give them a new purpose. These clothes can be transformed into something meaningful. By using these clothes, we're not just being eco-friendly, we're also preserving the memories attached to them. We are giving our pets a piece of our past. They can feel the love and warmth that these clothes once provided us. Imagine them snuggled in your old flannel, dreaming sweet dreams. It's like passing on a piece of your heart to them. It's a beautiful way to keep memories close. Every time you see your pet resting on that DIY bed, you'll be reminded of the good times. Ready to get started? Here's what you'll need. Your chosen old clothes, sharp scissors, sturdy thread, a needle or sewing machine, and soft stuffing old blankets or pillows work great. Now let's create. 1. Cut and shape. Choose your fabric. Cut 2 identical shapes for the bed's base. Make sure they are the same size and shape to ensure a perfect fit. Think circles, squares, or even hearts. Be creative with your shapes to give your pet a unique bed. 2. Sew the sides. Pin the fabric pieces together, inside out. This will hide the seams and give a clean finish. Sew along the edges, leaving a small opening for stuffing. Make sure your stitches are tight and secure to prevent any stuffing from escaping. 3. Stuff with love. Turn the fabric right side out. This will reveal the neat seams and the shape of your pet bed. Stuff it with soft filling until it's nice and plump. Use enough stuffing to make it comfortable but not too firm. 4. Seal with care, hand stitch the opening closed. Take your time to ensure the stitches are secure and the opening is completely sealed. Congratulations, you've created a cozy haven for your furry friend. Place it in their favorite spot and watch them enjoy their new bed. Section 4. Comfort woven with love. There's something truly special about a handmade gift. It's made with love, care, and intention. Your pet will feel that love in every nap. Plus, knowing you made it yourself, that's a feeling of accomplishment and joy. It's a reminder that even simple acts can be incredibly meaningful. Section 5. A gift from your heart to their paws. This project is more than just a pet bed, it's a testament to the bond you share with your furry friend. It's a symbol of your love woven into every thread. So gather your materials, put on some music, and let's create something beautiful together. Because the best gifts are made with love for those who matter most.